What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video, let me turn my adder on. In today's video, we're gonna be fixing this mirror. So when I bought the truck, this mirror was kind of broken. The previous owner decided just to tape it. Wasn't a big deal because the actual mirror itself wasn't broken. But we're gonna change that today. So went on eBay, I found an identical mirror, power, chrome, and pretty much identical. So here it is. So here's the eBay mirror. Like I said, it's power, chrome, everything's ready to go. So let's get that old mirror off. So first we're gonna do is either take a screwdriver or a pry tool. You're going to want to get this panel off here. There we go. Put that off to the side. So now that exposes the 3 bolts and the wiring harness as well too. So what we're going to want to do, loosen with a 10mm socket. We're going to loosen them. Don't drop the nuts into the door because you'll have a nightmare. Just put them off to the side. Alright, off to the side. And one last one. Before we get too far here, you're going to want to undo this plug. We're just going to, just a little tab there. There we go. So that plug's undone. So now that I got that last bolt loose, you're going to want to hold. And there we go. Alrighty, so we got the new mirror here. Nice, not broken, ready to go. So the first we're gonna do is slip that wire through the hole. We're gonna line up the pegs. Helps if you have 2 people. Just getting the nuts on right now. Alright, so we have that plugged in, just snapped right in, just like it came out. Now we're going to tighten the mirror. There we go. Tuck the harness back up in there. Pop your cover back on. There we go. That's it. There we go. There's our new mirror. It's on there. Tight. Still has the fold function, but not rattling loose. Looks good. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So that's pretty much it. Look at that. Chrome. Perfect. Just one more thing fixed on a Big Chevy. So yeah, that looks good. That was pretty easy. 1 cover, 3 bolts, 1 plug, in and out. Chevy did a good job designing that, so I will give it to that one, or give it to them on that one. So alrighty, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. Just a quick short video on how to change a mirror. 99 to 07 Chevy. So like, this is a 3/4 ton. I'm sure it's the same for the half tons and 1 tons, so no different. But yeah, this video helped you. Definitely give it a like. If you want, you can subscribe to the channel. We're doing a lot of things with this truck, so definitely stay tuned. All right, thanks guys. Have a good night or day or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.